So if I were to go around and grab a text tool right here and draw out the text tool and type in, let's say, for example, something like this, then it gets typed in a particular font. But this particular font is a part of Photopea already. But let's say, for example, you want to upload your own font and then type out text using that font. In that case, you can go around onto the font menu right here and then click on load font right here. And once you go around onto font, you can navigate to the folder where you have your particular font and open it out. So usually it's in TTF format, so you simply got to go around and open it and press OK, and what happens is that the font gets loaded. And around over here you can see that Super Funky is here. If you don't find it here, then simply go around and type in, let's say, Super right here. That is the name of the font that you have actually installed, and then you need to click on it. But you need to select the font, text first. So once you select it, click on it, you can see that you simply go around and change it out into a font you like. So let's say, for example, if I were to type in TutuTube, then this is the font that you have. And that is how you can go ahead and add in custom text, that is custom font, inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.